In this video, you will see what the on-off scheduler is and how to set it up using the control panel. The process will take less than 5 minutes. The scheduler on and off is a feature that allows the printer to automatically turn on and off at predetermined times based on a schedule set by the user. Why is it useful? You can save up to 65% energy with the printer on-off autoscheduler, improving energy efficiency by only running when needed, while ensuring the printer is instantly ready to use. How to set up the scheduler step by step. Now that you know the main benefits, let's learn how to set up the scheduler in your printer. To start with the process, tap the Setup option on the home screen of the printer control panel. Then scroll to tap Power Management. Open the Schedule Printer On-Off menu, Schedule On. Set the days and time and tap Next. Then, tap Confirm to finish the process. Scroll to and open the following menus: General, Energy, Scheduled Printer Off. And repeat the same process. Set the days and time and tap Next. Then confirm to finish the process. Now you have activated the weekly timeline in your printer, the turn on schedule and turn off schedule. In case you want to change the schedule of the printer, ensure at least 1 hour difference between the time for turning the printer off and on. And remember, you can also perform this operation through the embedded web server by going to General, Settings, Power Management, Schedule On and Off.